Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Vic La Placa, here with MarineMax Sailandski in San Antonio, Texas. I'm coming to you with this fresh piece of inventory. This bad boy just hit the ground. It is a 2023 Harris 230 Cruiser. Take a look at this bad boy. It's in the ebony black metallic fence panel. We got the dual biminis, so you get full shade out there on those hot summer days. So this pontoon does have the P2 package from Harris. So that Performance 2 package gives you the full length center tune. So this is a Tritoon. You got the lifting strakes along with the full aluminum skirting underneath. Now if you're looking to trailer this boat, we can set you up on one of these black tandem axle Magnum trailers with the large boarding ladder up in the front. Now the key component of this Harris pontoon is going to be the Mercury 200 horsepower outboard motor on the back, giving you plenty of power to run across the lake, pull a tube, pull a skier, wakeboard, you name it. This boat's got the power. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of this beautiful boat. So walking you through the inside of the Harris 230 Cruiser, I'm going to show you some of the cool features that this particular boat has. We got the light tan upholstery with the soft touch material. We got the upgraded bolsters there with the dual cup holders and dual USB plugs. Now in all the Harrises, all the cushions are self-supporting, so you flip them up, they stay open. This particular one, if you look in here, has the fender quick release system. That's an awesome feature to have to free up your cleats just solely for the dock lines. Now being that this is a Performance Package 2 set up with the full length tune, we got the nice ski locker option with the rubber mat, keep things from sliding around. One of my favorite features that we have opted for in this particular boat is the chase end flip up table. That's a great feature to have. Cup holders, you can set out snacks, whatever it is. Definitely a must have in my opinion. Stows away just that easily. Taking a look at the helm, of course you got some storage underneath. We got the upgraded captain's chair with the high back with dual armrest and adjustable seat base, along with your JL Media Master head unit. And what I really like is the wireless phone charger up on the dash. Very convenient to have, that way you're not dealing with cords, toss them around, making sure everybody's got one. Now, this particular configuration is the SL layout from Harris, aka the single lounger. It's a very nice feature to have, being that you got all this space back here for entertaining. This backrest here on the lounger has 3 positions: the upright position where people can hang out sitting inside, as well as sitting on the back. Position number 2 is going to be where you're just hanging out reclined, facing out back when you're tied up or watching the tubers. Number 3 is going to be all the way down if you're looking to soak up some sun or stay laying out in the shade if you got the biminis open. So one of the benefits as well to having the single lounger configuration is the amount of storage you get back here. I really like that. You can never, have too much space for storing stuff. Flip that open. In there, you'll see that we have the removable Harris table, but tons of storage space underneath the rear compartment. And then the built-in cooler from Harris with the drain. Awesome feature to have. You can never have too much cooler storage. Being that this boat is the SL, we opted for the safety railing. So very nice to have. You got kids. Gives more of a peace of mind for people sitting back here while the boat's under motion. Won't be bothered by any of the patrols out on the lake. Now another option that I really like that this boat has is the interior RGB lighting package. That gives this boat a cool feel when you're out in the evenings and you can rotate, set the colors on cycle, or pick your favorite color. Those are just a couple of the features of this Harris 230 Cruiser. If you're interested in this particular boat or any other of the awesome Harris pontoons we have in stock, feel free to give me a call at 210 301-2507. Again, my name is Vic La Placa, and I look forward to helping you. We'll see you out on the water.